Hello traders, welcome back to the traders platform. I hope everyone had a very great trading session on 19th of March. As we have predicted that the market would hit a low of 14,300 or 14,350 on 19th of March, it indeed hit a low of 14,350 after the market has opened with a gap down and it broke the crucial support which is of 14,500 level. Once the market has broke the 14,500 level, the crucial support level, it just hit the lower level which is of 14,350, and it took support at the 14,350, the lower level, and the market has shot up from there. So if you could see the resistance levels which are provided for 19th of March, one being 14,583 and the second being 14,644. So both the levels have been broken. It has actually tested these two levels before, but since it was not able to break those levels in the initial market open till 11:30, it was unable to break the 14,583 and 14,644 levels. But indeed, it has tested those resistance levels both, and the market went bullish after that. And after a certain amount of time, the market again has tried testing those two levels, and once it broke the 14,640 583 and 14,644, the market went up to 14,750. And after the 14,750 level, it reached out to the peak. There was a profit booking, and it led to the closure of the market at 14,733. So if we could see the market levels that we have predicted for 19th of March, they worked accurate and as per our prediction. So if we have to see the prediction for 19th of March and how the market is going to act and on what levels and because of what reasons it's going to act, like what we're going to predict, let's get into the chart and see how it's going to be acting up. So as we could see, this is the chart of 19th of March. So it has broke all the levels, all the resistance levels. But if we see the trend line at the for the longer trend line, I could see the market has broken the higher highs, sorry, the lower highs, and it now went into a bullish phase. But the market might still be bearish, since the reason being the coronavirus outbreak and it is still not contained, and there is a news that in most of the states in the past 20 days the cases have manifolded to 4 times, and this is the first month that is happening, and this is the same week in which the coronavirus outbreak happened in 2021 as well, and the same reason might give the market a reason to go bearish again. And the second reason being the increase in the bond yields, the US bond yields. So the US bond yields is been increasing from the past 1 week, and it has not been leveled out, or it has not stayed in a specific level. It kept on rising in the past 1 week, and the global cues are also negative at this levels because of this reason. So we can very much expect the market to be bearish because of these reasons. But if you could see the chart analysis, the analysis says that the market can very much be bullish if it breaks the levels that I am going to predict on 22nd of March. And I strongly recommend any trader not to take any call positions or put positions if the market is not going to break these levels. So if we can see the resistance levels for 22nd of March, the resistance levels are going to be 14,733 and 14,787, and you can also mark levels of 14,987 and 14,803. So if you could see at any time that market is going to break 14,803 and it sustains for at least like 5 minutes of at 14,803, above 14,803, you can say that, or you can assume that the market might go till 14,900 or 14,950. And if the market is going to break the support levels, which are 14,644, 14,593 and 14,479, then you can go bearish, and the market might hit a low of 14,450. If the market is going to break the support level of 14,400, and I strongly recommend traders to take levels or to take trades only at these levels. Unless and until the market doesn't break these levels, it's not going to be bearish or bullish. It can be very much neutral as well. So, yeah. So these are the reasons that the market can be a bearish as well as bullish. So mark these levels as per your convenience, and then have a good trading session. Have a great day. Thank you.